Okay, so Alfia, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Okay, so today I'm gonna ask you few questions related to science, and you have to answer it. Okay. So my first question is, tell me the formula of sulfuric acid.
The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4.
Okay, so my second question is that it is related to sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid has high importance in chemical industry. Why?
So sulfuric acid H2SO4 is used in manufacturing and number of other chemicals are used in making fertilizers, insecticides, explosives, medicines, detergent, etc. H is used in pulp and paper industry, soap making, glass making, etc. Dilute sulfuric acid is used in batteries, electric cell that we use in our daily life, and H is used in iron and steel industry also to remove rust from the products. And sulfuric acid is referred to the asking of chemicals due to its numerous applications. Hence, sulfuric acid has highest importance in the chemical industry.
Wonderful, you have given the answer in a very brilliant way. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you the synonyms of chemical.
I know some of them. The synonyms of chemicals are synthetic, actinic, synthesized, enzymatic, synthetical, etc.
So can you tell me that what type of acids are there? What are the types of acid?
Types of acid, there are two types of acid, artificial acid and natural acid.
What is the meaning of pigment?
The meaning of pigment is color.
Okay. So my next question is, astronauts on the moon cannot hear each other directly. Why does it happen?
So sound requires a material medium for its propagation, and we all know that the moon does not have atmosphere since there is no medium between the astronauts, and the direct sound propagation is not possible since there is no medium between the astronauts on the moon.
Okay. So my next question is that tell me the few name of Indian astronaut.
Yes, I know some. There are many astronauts. I will highlight some of them are Rakesh Sharma, Ravish Malhotra, Raja Chari, Sunita Williams, and one of my favorite, Kalpana Chawla.
So do you know about vitamin?
Yes, I know. Vitamin is one of the substances that found in certain type of food and which is important for the growth and health is called vitamin.
Okay. So my next question is related to reflection of laws. Okay. So what are the laws of reflection?
There are three laws of reflection. First, the incident ray is equal to the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Second is that the incident ray and the reflected ray and normal lie on the same plane. And third and last one is that the incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite side of normal.
What is the antonym of reflection?
The antonym of reflection is absorption.
Okay. So do you know thermocol melts at what degree?
Thermocol melts at more than 100 Celsius.
Okay. So what is reflection of light?
The reflection of light is when the light rays fall on an object, their direction changes and they turn back. This is called the reflection of light.
Okay. Do you know the symbol and atomic number of potassium?
The symbol of potassium is K and the atomic number is 19.
Yes, you are correct. So tell me which acid is present in lemon?
Citric acid present in lemon.
Okay. Is cytoplasm the chemical factory of the cell? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, you are absolutely right. Cytoplasm is the factory of cell.
Okay, so I can't ask you more questions. It's enough. You have given the answers in a very brilliant way. Thank you for giving us such informations.